welcome to another GRE strategy session for verbal. In today's session, we will deal with some vocabulary words which often come on the GRE exam under the text completion and sentence equivalence section of the verbal portion. Let's try a fun way to learn the words. The game is that you have to guess what I am. I can be avoided or I can be dodged. What am I? Am I eroded or evaded? The answer is I am evaded. The word eroded means to weaken. The word eroded comes from the word erosion. You might have heard about soil erosion. Now, eroded is when something gets weak slowly, gradually. Evade is to dodge. Evade is to avoid. So the answer here is evaded or avoided or dodged. Sample sentence. John evaded a fatal injury by dodging the bullet heading his way. So if you look at the picture, this guy is evading the bullet, is dodging the bullet, and eventually, of course, evading a fatal injury. I know it's something like Matrix, but I hope it works for you in order to remember the word evaded and alongside remembering the meaning of the word dodged. So evading is like dodging the bullets. I hope you had fun in learning a new word.